Your ultrasound system contains the following items: the ultrasound probe, the electrical power adapter, a pouch containing 3 items, the ultrasound scanner, the pouch contains a USB-A to mini USB cable. Your Articulate Assistant Advanced license key, a memory stick containing extra help information, you can change the plug on your electrical power adapter to suit the sockets where you are. Press the button next to the plug and slide the plug sideways to remove it. Slide the new plug onto the contacts. Connect your ultrasound probe to the ultrasound scanner. Use the USB-A to mini USB cable to connect the ultrasound scanner to your computer. Your ultrasound system receives electrical power from your computer. If you have connected your ultrasound system to a USB hub, it might not have enough power. You can connect your ultrasound system to electrical power using the electrical power plug. If you purchased an Ultrafit headset, you can change the size of the ultrasound probe holder. Remove the old probe holder by unscrewing it from the arm. Attach the new probe holder so the arrows on the sides are facing up. You can change the length of the arm. Remove the front arm by unscrewing it from the side arm. Keep the washer together with it. Remove the side arm by unscrewing it from the headset and sliding the arm off. Keep the washer together with it and ensure the arrow on the washer points up. Slide the new side arm on. Attach it to the headset using the bolt and the knob. Attach the front arm to the side arm and secure it with the knob. If the headset is too large for your participant, you can insert the foam crown pad to make it fit better. Extra Velcro straps and adhesive-backed Velcro are provided in case you need to replace them. On your computer, you must tell Windows to use the Focusrite for both playback and recording.